Hi, good morning, dear students. How are you? Yesterday I explained constitution terms and in normality 3-4 problems. Today I will give some important problems on molarity, normality, mole fraction and molarity. Today I will start numericals. So that means problems. Now ready? Okay. Write down. So first problem. RD concentration terms, different models I finished. Different relations also yesterday I finished. Now I will give some problems. Numerical. So all of you write down. First problem. What is the volume? What is the volume in? What is the volume in liters? What is the volume in liters of 0.1 m H2SO4? H2SO4 required to complete neutralize 1 liter of 0.5 m NaOH, 0.5 m NaOH. Here options, I am giving also options. Here options one, first one is 5, second one is 2.5 and the third one is 0.5, last one is 10. So which option correct? Now okay, in this problem, what is the volume in liters of 0.1 m sulfuric acid required to completely neutralize 1 liter of 0.5 m NaOH solution? Last time I given neutralization. Neutralization means one acid reacts with the base to form salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization. In this problem, answers given. Here NaOH, sodium hydroxide, equation required. Generally we know in neutralization formula M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. One formula given. Okay, these are different solutes. First one is NaOH solution, second is sulfuric acid. In this case, generally formula M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. So formula before reaction required. So generally, so these are problem. What is they asked volume. Okay, now I will give problems. M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. A reaction. Sodium, they won't give reaction, but so we balance the equation. Sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate plus water. Sodium sulfate plus water. In this reaction, here how many moles? 2 moles. Na2SO4, 2H2O. Here, number of moles. Now I am taking first solution. Okay, in the equation NaOH first solution, sulfuric acid second solution. Okay, now I am taking first solution. Okay, NaOH V1. Here V1, here M1, here N1. Here sulfuric acid V2, M2, N2. Okay. So visible? Okay, otherwise I will write here. First NaOH, second sulfuric acid. First NaOH, second sulfuric acid. Here V1, here M1, here N1, here V2, M2, N2. Here number of moles. In this equation, no, sodium hydroxide how many moles? 2 moles. I am writing here 2. Sulfuric acid here 1 mole. Okay. In the problems already volume given. Volume NaOH volume given. How much volume given? One see volume given. Sodium hydroxide. So volume in. What is the volume in liters? 0.1 m required to complete neutralize 1 liter of NaOH solution. Here NaOH solution volume 1 liter. They asked volume question mark. So molarity. NaOH molarity given. Here NaOH molarity. Here NaOH molarity how much given? 0.5 m. Here 0.5 m given. Here sulfuric acid how much given? 0.1 m given. 0.1 m given. They asked volume in. So sulfuric acid volume required. So substitute the formula. So M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. In this case, we want V2. So that means V2 equal to M1 V1 by N1 into N2 by M2. That means here M1 how much? 0.5. V1 how much? 1 by N1 how much? 2 into N2 1 by M2 how much? 0.1. Okay. Generally 0.1 these are how many times cancelled? 5 times. So 5 by 2 means so 2.5 liters. So answer 2.5 liters. That is answer 2.5 liters. So therefore volume of H2SO4 equal to, that means V2 equal to how much? 2.5 liters. That is the answer. And which option correct? Second option correct. Volume of H2SO4. Volume of H2SO4 in liters. In liters, V2 equal to 2.5 liters. Okay, these are in molarity concept. Acid base means formula M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. So these are one of the formula. Write down problem. Okay, these are one problem completed. Okay, write down. Okay, dear student, next one. Problem number 2. So problem number 2, write down. If 250 ml of 250 ml of 0.25 m NaCl sodium chloride solution is diluted. Solution is diluted with water. Diluted with water to a volume of 500 ml. 500 ml. The new concentration of the solution. The new concentration of solution is first option, second option, third option and the fourth option. I will give options. So first one is 0.167 m. Second option 0.0167 m. Third option 0.125 m. Last option 0.0833 m. These are options. M means molarity. Here which option correct? One see, these are first option, second option. If 250 ml or 0.25 molar NaCl solution is diluted with water to a volume of 500 ml or the new 500 ml, the new concentration of the solution is dilution case I given. Dilution is formula V1 M1 equal to V2 M2. Your volume how much first? Your first volume how much? 250 ml. 250 into M1 how much? 0.25 equal to V2 how much? V2 500. M2 we don't know. M2 we can calculate. So that means M2 equal to 250 into 0.25 by 500. Here how many times cancel? 2 times cancel. 0.25 by 2 equal to 0.125 m molarity. So that means molarity means concentration. That is which option correct? Third option correct. Okay, that is a formula. Very easy. V1 M1 equal to V2 M2 for dilution case. V1 means first solution 500, first 250 ml M1, V1 M1 equal to V2 into M2. M2 we don't know, M2 concentration, we can calculate M2. That is a dilution case. Write down. Okay. Third problem, 10 millimoles of 10 millimoles of solute is 10 millimoles of solute is 10 millimoles of solute is present in the 10 millimoles of solute is present in the following volume of 0.08 m solution. 10 million of solute present in the following volume of 0.0 m solution. Here first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Okay, first option. Here first option 125 ml. First option 125 ml. Second option 625 ml. 625 ml. Third one is 500 ml. 500 ml. Last one is 1000 ml. Last one is 1000 ml. Which answer correct? Okay. In this case, 10 millimoles of solute is present in 10 millimoles of solute is present in the following volume of 0.05 m solution. Here molarity, one formula you know, molarity M equal to N by V. In this case volume letters, in this case volume compulsory, volume letters and only number of moles. They given not number of moles, 10 millimoles given. We know one formula. 1 mole equal to simply 1000 millimoles equal to 1 mole. We can convert it to millimoles convert to moles. In this formula moles required, but they given millimoles. Millimoles convert into generally moles. 1000 millimoles equal to 1 mole. 10 millimoles equal to how many mole? That means 10 into 1 by 1000. 10 into 1 by 1000 means 0.01 mole. So that means 0.0. That means 10 millimoles equal to how many moles? 0.01 mole. 0.01 mole. These number of moles, these are value. That means n. These n values substituted in this equation. That means they asked volume. Volume liters. Volume in liters coming. Volume in liters equal to n by m. N by m. N how much? 0.01 by m how much given? 0.08. 0.08 means simply 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.01 to 0.125 liters. 0.125 liters means 0.125 liters means how many milliliters? 125 ml liters. That means 0.1 that means so volume 0.125 liters. Liter coming to milliliters means into 1000. That means that equal to 125 ml. So which option correct? Which option correct means so first option correct. Okay, write down. 125 liters converted to milliliters means by multiply with 1000. So that is the answer. Once again, 10 millimoles of solute is present in the following volume of 0.0 m solution. Molarity given, millimoles given. How can I calculate volume? Generally formula m equal to n by v. In this case, volume liters, n means number of moles. They given millimoles. Actually, we know formula 1 mole equal to 1000 millimoles or 1000 millimoles equal to 1 mole. 10 millimoles equal to how many moles? So 10 millimoles equal to 0.01 mole. Okay. So already millimoles convert into moles. These are volume. We can calculate volume means volume in liters equal to n by m. M already solved 0.01 by molarity given. That equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.125 liters. So 0.125 liter means 125 ml. So that is a answer. Okay. Okay. That is another problem. Writing, students, right? Next one. Next problem number 4. Next problem number 4. How many grams of dibasic acid how many grams of dibasic acid? Here molecular weight 200. Dibasic acid means for acids basicity 2, molecular weight 200 should be present in 100 ml of its aqueous solution to give decinormal strength. Decinormal strength. So options 1 gram, 2 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram. Your first option, your second option, Your third option, fourth option. In this case, okay, how many grams of dibasic acid should be present in 100 ml of its aqueous solution to give deci normal strength? You know, semi means 0.5, semi-molar 0.5, semi-normal 0.5 N. Molar means molarity, normal means normality. Deci means how much value? Deci means how much? 0.5. Deci means, sorry, deci means 0.1, sorry. Deci means 0.1. Deci normal 0.1 N. So first write down the normality formula. Simply normality. Normality N equal to, okay, normality N equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. Normality given, deci normal, deci means how much? 0.1 equal to weight we don't know, x. Gram equivalent weight, acids gram equivalent weight equal to molecular weight by basicity. Here basicity 2, that means in this case gram equivalent weight equal to formula simply 200 by basicity 2. These are how much? 100. Why basicity how much? In this case dibasic acid, here acid basicity 2. That means here values are substituted 100 into 1000 by volume how much given? 100. That means these are 10 time cancel. These are 10 time cancel. These are also 10 time cancel. That means weight equal to 0.1 into 10. That means 1 gram. So answer how much? 1 gram correct. That is a first option. So answer 1 gram correct. Write down. So write down very easy. How many grams of dibasic acid should be present in 100 ml of its aqueous solution to give deci normal strength? Deci means how much? 0.1. 0.1. Write down problem. Okay. Next problem. Next problem, write down problem number 5. Problem number 5. A gas mixer, a gas mixer 44 grams CO2, 44 grams of CO2, 14 grams of 14 grams of nitrogen. N2 means nitrogen gas. What will be mole fraction of CO2? What will be mole fraction of CO2 in the mixer? What will be mole fraction of CO2 in the mixer? That is a question mark. Options: 1 by 5, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Last one is 1 by 4. That is options. It is a first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Which one is correct? Okay, we know a gas mixture contains 44 grams of CO2, 14 grams of nitrogen. What will be the mole fraction of CO2 in the mixture? They given two gases. First gas CO2 gas, second gas is nitrogen. These gases are mixed. They asked mole fraction of CO2. Okay, first CO2. Mole fraction of CO2 means first we can calculate mole fraction problem. First we can calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of, simply, number of moles of CO2 equal to weight by gram molecular weight. That means weight how much? 44 by CO2 gram molecular weight 44. That equal to 1. Next, number of moles of CO2, number of moles of N2. So weight by gram molecular weight. Weight how much given? 14. Nitrogen also 14. 14 by 14, 1. Okay. Total number of moles. Total number of moles. Total number of moles equal to. That means 1 plus 1. That equal to 2. Total number of moles 2. They asked mole fraction of CO2. They asked mole fraction of CO2. So okay. Mole fraction of CO2 means mole fraction of CO2, mole fraction of CO2. That means X of CO2 equal to mole fraction of CO2 equal to number of moles of CO2 by total number of moles. CO2 mole number and nitrogen mole number. Simply, I given number of moles, mole fraction of CO2 equal to number of moles CO2 by total moles number. Total means CO2 and N2. CO2 mole number how much? 1. 1 by 1 plus 1. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Your answer 1 by 2. Your answer not once again problem. Sorry. A gas mixture contains 14 grams of CO2. Sorry, nitrogen. Sorry. Correct. Here nitrogen how much weight? Sorry. Here nitrogen how much? Sorry. Here nitrogen how many nitrogen molecular weight? Sorry, 28. 28 means sorry. Here listen. 14 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5 or 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 or 0.5. 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay, total number of moles 1 plus 0.5 that equal to 1.5. Sorry, 1.5. 1.5 that is total number of moles. So 1 plus 0.5 that means 1 by. So that means 1 by 1.5. 1 by 1.5 means 10 by 15. The 10 by 15 means 2 by 3. Sorry. Okay, 2 by 3. Answer which one is correct? 2. Sorry. Before I give a nitrogen, I thought nitrogen 14 log. Nitrogen molecular weight how much? 28. Okay, these are nitrogen molecular weight 28. Okay, sorry. Anyway, once again, number of moles of CO2 equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Once again, number of moles of CO2 equal to given weight by gram molecular weight. 44 given, no? Gram molecular weight 44. 1. Number of moles of nitrogen equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight how much given? No? 14. Nitrogen gram molecular weight 28, not 14. 14 by 28, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5. Total number of moles equal to 1 plus 0.5, 1.5. Mole fraction of CO2 equal to, mole fraction symbol X. X of CO2. X of CO2 equal to, simply X of CO2. Mole fraction of CO2 equal to CO2 moles number by total moles number. That means 1 by 1 plus 0.5, 1 by 1.5. 1 by 1.5 means simply 10 by 15. 10 by 15 means 2 by 3. So that is a third option. So answer third option. That is a correct. Okay. Next one is, write down. Next problem. The molarity of solution. Problem number is the molarity of solution. The molarity of solution obtained by mixing, the molarity of solution obtained by mixing. 750 ml of 0.5 m. M means molarity. Don't forget. Remembering this. 0.5 m HCl. HCl with 250 ml of 250 ml of 250 ml of 250 ml of 2 molar HCl. 2 molar HCl. 2 molar HCl will be so first option 1 molar, second option 1.75 molarity, third option 0.975 molar, last option 0.875 molar. That is a options actually. So these are first option, these are second option, third option, fourth option. Which one is correct in this? Listen. The molarity of solution obtained by mixing 750 ml or 0.5 m HCl, 0.5 m HCL with 250 ml or 2 molar HCl will be already given. For molarities, mixing of molarity of solutions, so same solute with different molarities. Formula already given before. Resultant solution molarity M equal to V1 M1 plus V2 M2 by V1 plus V2. Here V1 first how much? 750. 750 into M1 how much? 0.5 plus V2 how much? 250. 250 into M2 how much? 2 molar. By total. Total means 750 plus 250. That means 750 into 0.5. 750 into 0.5 means 750 into 0.5 means 5. 375. 375 plus 375 plus 250 into 500 by 1000. 375 plus 500, 875. 875 by 1000. 875 by 1000 means 0.875 m. So that answer is fourth option. Once again, molarity of mixing of two solutions having same solute with different molarities. Solute same. First to second case is HCl. Molarity different. In this case, resultant solution molarity can be calculated by formula M equal to V1 M1 plus V2 M2 by V1 plus V2. V1 750 into 0.5. V1 M1 plus V2 M2 by total volume V1 plus V2. So these are 375 plus 500, 875 by 1000, 0.85 m. M means molarity. That is a fourth option. Okay, write down that problem. Fourth option. Write down that problem. How is problems, dear students? Very easy. So concentrate remembering all formulas. Remembering this one all formulas. Okay, don't forget. Write down. So write in all points in classwork. Okay now. Next problem. Problem number 7. Volume of 0.1 m oxalic acid. Volume of 0 m means molarity. 0.1 m oxalic acid, which can complete 1 which can completely decolorize 20 ml of 0.1 m KMnO4 potassium permanganate KMnO4 in acid medium is first option 100 ml 50 ml 20 ml 40 ml. So these are first option, second option, third option, last fourth option. In this case, volume of 0.1 m oxalic acid which can completely decolorize 20 ml or 0.1 m KMnO4 in acid medium. These are permanganate titration. These are second year practicals concept. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent in acid medium. Potassium permanganate is a pinky color. So in oxalic acid solution titrated, so these are acid based that is a redox reaction. It is a redox reaction. So oxalic acid versus potassium permanganate reaction is a redox reaction. That is oxidizing KMnO4 is oxidizing. Redox reaction means in the reaction one element undergoes oxidation, another element undergoes reduction. That is known as a redox reaction. First we want equation. Equation means these are acid medium. Balancing 2 KMnO4 plus 3 H2SO4 plus 5 H2C2O4. That is a balance. These are long equation. Use raised to K2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 8 H2O plus 10 CO2. That is the equation. Okay, it is a redox reaction. Redox reaction means one element undergoes oxidation, another element undergoes reduction. I will say here potassium permanganate, manganese oxidation state how much? +7, you know. First year stoichiometry. Here manganese how much? +2 oxidation state. +7 to +2, that is a reduction. +7 to +2 reduction. Okay, here carbon is there. Here oxalic acid carbon oxygen state. Here oxalic acid carbon oxygen state to +3. Here carbon oxygen state +3. Here carbon oxygen state +4. +3 to +4. That means it is a redox reaction. +3 to +4, that is a oxidation. In the chemical reaction, one element undergoes oxidation, another element undergoes reduction. That reaction is known as redox reaction. Here carbon, you know carbon. How came carbon oxygen state? Simply oxalic acid is there, 1 cm. H2C2O4 is there, carbon. Hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 plus, 2 hydrogens, 2 plus. That means 2 plus, we don't know, 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x equal to 6, x equal to +3. Okay, they are +3. Here also carbon x. 1 oxygen minus 2, 2 oxygen minus 4. X minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to +4. Here also same, carbon dioxide is there. Here carbon dioxide, carbon oxygen state, there x. X minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to +4, like that. Anyway, potassium permanganate, we know, manganate, potassium +1, oxygen -8. -8 +1, -7. X minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to +7. Here manganese sulfate. Sulfate, total overall sulfate charge -2. These are overall -2. X minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to +2. That is a first is stoichiometric concept. Anyway, we want equation. In equation, so in this problem, first formula. Which formula required? In this case, which formula required? So these are titration means formula. In this case, formula M1V1 by N1 equal to M2V2 by N2. That is formula. M1V1 by N1 equal to M2V2 by N2. Okay? Here they asked volume of 0.1 m oxalic acid. Okay, in this case, first one is oxalic acid, second one is KMnO4. Now I am taking here oxalic acid V1, M1, N1. Oxalic acid V1, M1, N1. Here permanganate, potassium permanganate V2, M2, N2. Okay, V2, M2, N2. Here oxalic acid. Oxalic acid volume given. Oxalic acid volume question mark. Molarity given how much? 0.1 oxalic acid. Number of moles we know. Number of moles how can calculate from the equation? Here how many oxalic acid? How many moles? 5 moles. Potassium permanganate how many moles? 2 moles. Potassium permanganate molarity given 0.1 given. Volume given how much? 20 ml. So that formula V1 M1 by M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. I am giving formula. Okay, once see M1 V1 by formula say M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. First 1 means oxalic acid, 2 means permanganate. They asked volume of oxalic acid, that means V1 equal to N1 by M1 into M2 V2 by N2. Here N1 how much? N1 is 5. 5 by M1 how much? 0.1 into M2 how much? 0.1 into V2 20 by N2 2. So these are values. So generally these are 10 times cancelled. They are 10 times cancelled. 10 into 5 50. These are cancelled. That means answer how much? 50 ml. So which option correct? Second option correct. Very easy. Formula M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. The redox reaction. Redox reaction means one in the one compound, one element undergoes oxidation, another element reduction. That is a redox reaction. Potassium, it is a one of the titration that is known as permanganometry. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent in acid medium in the presence of acid. Okay. These are formula M1 V1 by N1 equal to M2 V2 by N2. They given all molarities and volume. They asked volume of oxalic acid. Volume of potassium permanganate they given. Molarity also they given. Number of moles how can calculate from the equation. Okay. These are answer 50 ml came. So option second option. Okay, write down. Okay, students, can I give another problem? Okay. So problem number 8. Problem number 8, write down. 100 ml of 0.1 m sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and 100 ml of 0.1 m KOH. 0.1 m KOH. KOH means potassium hydroxide. Or mixed together. And diluted to exactly 2 liters. Exactly 2 liters. So So normality of unreacted acid in the mixer is first option 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 n is normality. Second 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 n. Third 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. Last 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 n. Okay, these are first option, second option, third option, fourth option also given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 100 ml of 0.1 sulfuric acid and 100 ml of 0.1 KOH are mixed together and diluted exactly 2 liters. These are diluted with 2 liters. Normality of unreacted acid in the mixer. So in the unreacted means among these two, which one is more? Acid more. How can calculate? One of the formula is there. Normality n equal to formula V1 n1 plus V2 n2 by V1 plus V2. Here which one is the first molarity converted to normality? We know normality molarity relation for acids. For acids means normality equal to molarity into basicity. For bases normality equal to molarity into acidity. This sulfuric acid is there. Sulfuric acid basicity how much? 2. That means simply 0.1 m H2SO4 normality how much? 0.1 into 2. That means how much? 0.2 n. Okay, next one. Here KOH potassium hydroxide normality molarity equal, because when normality molarity equal, suppose for acids basicity 1 means normality molarity equal. For bases acidity 1 means molarity normality equal. That means simply formula normality equal to V1 how much? 100 into 0.1 molarity converted to normality 0.2 plus volume second how much? 100 into normality. KOH base, but these are acidity 1. Acidity 1 or basicity 1 means molarity normality equal. That means 100 into 0.1 by, these are diluted, not mixing, these are diluted to 2 liters. Here milliliter is there means liter converted into milliliters. 2 liters means how much? 2000. Why given 2000? Because here V1 plus V2, these are diluted. Don't add the 100 plus 100 because these are diluted. How much diluted? 2 liters. Here I am taking milliliters means here also 2 liters means 2000 milliliters. That means answer simply 100 into 0.2 20. 20 plus 100 into 0.1 10 by 2000. That means 30 by 2000. 30 by 2000. So 30 by 2000 means, listen. 30 by 2000 means 0 cancel. 3 by 200. 3 by 200 means 0.0. 3 by 200 means 0.0. once 100 into 0.2, 220. 20 plus 10, 2000. 30 by 2000. 30 by 2000 means 0 cancel. So 3 by 200. So 3 by 200 means 0. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 5 times 0.051. That means 1.5 into. That means 1.5 into 0.015 means 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 n. That is the answer. Once again, 0, that means 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 0.01 means 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 1.5, sorry. Listen, right? Option they given. One second problem, sorry, ma. 100 ml of 0.1 m sulfuric acid, 100 ml of KOH are mixed diluted exact 2 liters. Normality of unreacted in the gases mixture. Once again, 100 ml of 0.1 m. Yeah, 20. V1 N1 plus V2 N2 by 1000. 20 plus 10. 220. 20 plus 10. Okay. 30. 30 by 3000. 2 liters. 2 liters means 2000. So that means answer not coming once again. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Their strength how much? These are 0. These are 20 n, 10 n. Which one? Acid. Oh, sorry. Here, sorry. Here, which one is more? Here acid and base added. Already given on formula. Here acid and base given. Acid base, which one is more strength? Acid strength 20. These are base strength. That means already one formula given. Which formula? Last time I given. Simply normality equal to VA minus VB by VA plus VB. Sorry. Here which one is acid strength? Acid strength more. That means not plus. V1 N1 minus V2 N2 by V1 plus V2. That means sorry. Here how much? 20. 20 minus 10 by 20 minus 10 by. Here these are 20. 20 minus 10 by 2000. 2000, that means 10 by 2000. 10 by 2000 means 0.005. That means 0.005 means 0.005 means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 normality. Okay, sorry Amma. These are, once again, these are acid, these are base. Which one is more strength? These are acid, so these are normality 0.2 is there. Normality 0.2 is there. 0.2 into 100. How much? 20. 20 is there. These are strength 20. These are strength how much? 10. 20, 10. Which one is more? Acid strength more. Here solution is acidic nature. That means formula V1 N1 minus V2 N2 by V1 plus V2. Here V1 means these are acid, these are base. Or formula anyone VA minus VB NB by VA plus VB. They are diluted. Don't add the VA plus VB. Actually diluted. Diluted means how much? 2 liters. 2 liters means how much? 2000. That means formula is there. Okay? Sorry, Amma. 20 minus 10. Their acid strength more. Here acid strength more means first two. Base strength more means first two. 20 minus 10. 10 by 2000 means 0.005. That means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 n. So that is which option? Second option correct. So that is a normality. If acid and base mixed, acid strength more means VA, acid concentration minus base concentration by volume. Here not total volume is diluted. How much? 2 liters means 2000 liters. Write down. Sorry, that is a formula. Write down, students. Next problem. Okay, students, complete. We write down. Last problem. Ninth problem. Problem number 9. If 0.01 molar solute, molar solute present in 500 ml of solution, 500 ml of solution, molarity of this solution is, molarity of this solution is, molarity of the 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 solution is. Yeah, very easy. Molarity of the solution is options 0.01 m, next 0.005 m, 0.02 m, last 0.1 m. In this case, first option, second option, third option, fourth option. In this case, number of moles given, volume given, molarity of the solution, formula m equal to n by v. In this case, compulsory volume in liters, volume compulsory liters. So molarity m, number of moles given how much? 0.01 by volume. 500 ml means how many liters? 500 ml equal to how many liters? 500 by 1000. 500 by 1000 means 0.5 liters. 0.5 liters. That means 0.01 by 0.5. That means simple I am taking 1 by 0.1 by how much? 1 by 50. 1 by 50 means 0.02 m. 0.02 m means these are third option. So that means simply 0.1 means 5. 1 means 50. 1 by 50 means 0.02. That is a molar. Which option correct? Third option. Okay. So these are very easy. Anyway, if 0.01 molar solute present in 500 ml of the solution, molarity of the solution is, so third option. M equal to n by v. In this case, volume compulsory liters. Don't take milliliters. Already they given milliliters. Milliliter converted to liter means by 1000. That means 500 ml means 0.5 liters. So 0.5 liters came. That means substitute the value, number of moles by volume. So that is one of the important point. That is a problem. Okay, students. Okay. Concentrating. Okay. Following. Okay. No problem. Okay. Remaining problems tomorrow I will give. Okay. Tomorrow maybe 1 hour, or 15 minutes enough. Okay. So my suggestion in free time, once concentrate all numericals and numericals and problems, formulas also. Okay. So these are in any book, your problems also is there. Okay. Once try, listen and try to all problems. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow I will start the remaining problems. Okay. Thank you, children.